All right.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Go.
Okay. Let's wait for some people to join the chat.
Fuck that bitch, leave that hoe where I found her. Whole lot of paraphernalia on the counter. Kicking game, kicking niggas out like a bouncer. Caught him slipping, threw him in the water like a flounder. All
right.
this water on my wrist, I think I drowned her. Out the country, yeah, I got the smoke, I'm bringing ounces. Got niggas that'll kill for me if I make an announcement. I hesitate, she just popped a pill, yeah, she downed it. Do what I like, she appeal to me, cause how she bouncing. Flew her out, turn her out, she was out of town.
Let's get some people in the chat. What's up, guys? What is up, boysies? What is up, boysies? Okay. Now, is there going to be an all-time high next week? We're going to find out, guys, because I feel like we need to really start to pay attention now. We're at the last stage of the market, guys. We're seeing Bitcoin actually cool off now. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. No, let's go to TradingView. We're seeing Bitcoin cool off on, or ETH cool off, sorry, over the past 24 hours. And now we want something like this to happen, right? We want a daily candle close out of this zone here. Okay, so what is up to everybody in the chat? Just subscribed. Been watching you for a week. Great content. What's up, Latif? Juan, you are here. Juan's always here. What's up, man? Second round, still the first one in YouTube. Yeah. Car guy, what's up, bro? What's up? We're going to look at Bitcoin today, man. I mean, ETH is looking so good right now. So are some of our altcoins. We're looking to Bitcoin dominance. I'm not going to do like too much of a long stream today. And again, if the music is too loud, you guys let me know. I'll turn it down a little bit. But I can't really sit here in silence, man. But car guy, been here since under 7k subs. You're an OG, bro. I feel like it's a grind. It's a grind. But as you can see, guys, the title, Bitcoin all-time high next week. Is it going to happen? Could be. Right, let me turn this down a little bit. Bitcoin now flirting with a breakout, guys. Okay, 118k. I actually did do a long with the members club, and if I can find it on here, I'll show you guys what we were looking at. There we go. This was our long idea, right? So we had the stop right here. I set this up at around here, hoping that we'd retest around 110-ish k. We did, got to about 112k, and then re-entered along here. Okay, so currently, myself and the members, we're in a long all the way to potentially 136k, but I've got some targets lower than that. So we got targets at the all-time high, right? We got targets at like 128k, and then we got targets at the top as well, guys. So that's kind of how I'm playing it, right? We'll be taking out quite a lot of profit before we do get to 136k. But yeah, not really doing too many trades with Bitcoin, to be honest, guys. I mean, if you go, and you already know what I like to do, right? I like to check out the order blocks. Then let's actually go to the lower time frame. Right, we got a lot at the all-time high right now. So yeah, we got to break 119k, got to break 120, and then all-time high, you probably start to see the red move up a little bit higher. Right. Check out the Bly chart. What's Bly? I'll have a little look at that. Aero, Jasmine, ASM are great pickups. Yeah, no, I agree, bro. Aero's looking pretty good. I made a video update. If you haven't seen that, then you guys can go and watch that. Bly under so many people's radar. They have app launch. Okay. If you want me to check out a coin, then all you got to do is just leave the ticker in the thing. And what I did yesterday was I was going to CoinMarketCap, checking it out, looking at the website, giving you my unbiased opinion. So yeah, we can have a little look for that. I'll check out Bly for you. Let's have a look. Everyone in the chat as well, I need you guys to go and smash the like button, because there's 10 of you in here right now, and there's only 3 likes, right? 3 likes is not good enough. I'm going to pause right now. Smash the like button, guys. Smash it. Thank you. Right, let's go and check out Bly. I'm guessing it's B-L-A-I, is it? No? Was it BLIA? Is that what you just said? No. Bly. What is Bly, car guy? I don't know. Sui. Anyway, Sui number 4. Let's have a look. Bly. What, did I just miss it? I don't think I did. Whoops. I don't think I did miss it, did I? I don't know. We'll have a look in a minute. Let's check out Sui. I've taken like a decent amount of profit of Sui so far, guys. Let's have a look. Sui USD. See what the chart's looking like today, boys. How was your weekend as well, boys? It's actually so nice here in the UK. It's like really warm. I feel like I'm on holiday. I'm actually going on holiday in like a month. Well, end of this month. So, yeah, trying to top up on the tan before we get there, man. But this is Sui right now. $3.85. Big key level of resistance. I actually haven't looked at this chart in a little while. But on the daily, this doesn't look too bad, right? Higher lows, marginally higher highs. Volume still lacking, so you'd want a big volume push when we can break $4. $4.83 is going to be a big level of resistance there as well. But, you know, if we hold something like this, we continue to make highs. You got support here at $3. All right, so maybe we continue to coil. Okay, looks like there's a potential breakout there. We just need to break this level here. Fog. Go to CoinGecko. Okay, I'll have a look at CoinGecko. Lolly! What's up, Lolly? You missed my live stream yesterday, Lolly. But I feel like 6 o'clock is probably a good time in the UK for like, depending where you are across the world, right? So, all right, let's have a look. Bob doing good as well. You know what? I haven't checked out Bob in a while, Hawk. So we'll check out Bob as well. I haven't even, you know what? I'm so bad at showing you guys the charts when I skip over. This is what I was looking at when I was looking at Sui, right? So marginally higher lows, or higher lows, marginally higher highs. Maybe we're having a breakout right now. If you go to the weekly for Sui, looks slightly better, right? But still big resistance here. So yeah, let's go and check out CoinGecko for all of you. Also, we need to go look at the rate cut decisions as well, because it's starting to change. It's starting to be technically more bearish. Still a high possibility that we do get rate cuts though. 10:30 a.m. in SoCal. Oh damn. Oh damn. So it's actually, I did it at 2 p.m. my time, so I did it like 4 hours earlier. That's probably why not so many people joined in. But what's up, my Cali crew? Right, Bly. Guessing it's this. Is it this one? What is this market cap? $2 million market cap. Oh, it's a base coin. Okay, all right. Yeah, I need to put more time into the base ecosystem. Some of you guys said you wanted like a full base update. So I'm going to do that probably tomorrow, maybe Tuesday. But that's the one. Let's have a little look. What's up, Edwin? Edwin, back in the chat. What's up, Edwin? How you doing, bro? Let's look at the website for Bly then. Again, you guys leave me the coins with me to have a look at in the comments. You know, I'm going to check the Twitter first, actually. 2K, your AI-powered crypto advisor. Oh, okay, so one of these. A lot of you guys were leaving me, like, these AI agent type things yesterday. So, I'm guessing it's something like this. Crypto advisor, though. That seems interesting. Where's the website? Blyapp.io. Your crypto AI. Meet Bly, the first AI-powered crypto app. Trade smarter. Okay, invest confidently. So why do you, my friend, think that this is going to be a good one? Now in public beta. I'm not going to download any of these ones on stream just because I don't want anything to go wrong or like something to get leaked. But we'll have a look at the about. That is the about. Okay. AI agents. Oh, okay. Sentiment agent Mac. Oh, yeah, I mean, okay, could be good. There's quite a lot of these out though. That's the only thing when it comes to these agents, right? I feel like we had quite a big agent run. Do you guys think the agent run's going to come back? I don't know. But, I mean, if it does well and, you know, if the thing that's going to make these agents perform well is if they can give good returns, right? They're going to be the ones that win. A lot of these will be quite general. So, yeah. Let's have a look at the different agents. Okay, yeah, so it's all these different agents. All right, cool. Let me know more info about it. So curious about ICP. Any news? PayPay as well. Yeah, there's not really. I was actually filming an ICP video earlier, and I was looking at caffeine, and people are actually building like a lot of different apps on caffeine right now. But other than that, it's not really too much. I think we need more apps to come in for the burn rate to like really be in full effect, because people do ignore the fact that it is, well, it can be inflationary, especially with 8 Year Gang. They're going to be selling off all their rewards, right? So if we go to TradingView and ICP, I mean, I was going to make a video today, but then there's just not much to talk about, right? We just need to break out of this range here. Need to go back to the regular, right? So we need to go and break above $6 and then $7, $8. So big resistance here. And then I said in yesterday's stream, I'm probably going to sell quite a lot here, because you can see that's just a fat order block up there, guys, right? It's going to be met with a lot of resistance. So if we do break out, right, I do think this is clear accumulation, as I've said to you guys many times. If we do break out and then start to retest around like $14, probably a good area to DC out, all right? Even though it's a little bit low for some of you guys, I still think 500% is a decent return from the lows. Check out TradingView chart for Blay. It wasn't on TradingView though, unless I got to do the contract address. Check out TradingView. 4 hour looks spicy. Let me have a look again. Oh, TradingView. Sorry, not CoinMarketCap. TradingView. All right, let's have a look. Blay USD T. I'm gonna have to get the contract, aren't I? Again, guys, if you're in the chat right now and you have not smashed the like button, you know what you need to do. You need to go and smash the like button right now, please. We're at 10 likes. That is not good. The one I linked. Let me see. I might have missed your link. Let's have a look. Let me see. I can't see a link that you've put in there. But anyway, I'll look on CoinGecko again. See if we can get the trick there. Yeah, do that. Right. Oh, so it's going to be this. Uniswap base. Right, let's have a look at the 4 hour for you. Okay. Okay, yeah, it's had a pretty decent move over the past, what, week? So again, pretty low volume, but again, it's a $2 million market cap coin. Can't really do TA on these $2 million market cap coins. It's just going to be like, if it does get adopted, then obviously you're going to start to push up higher, guys. So a bit more difficult on these ones, but what's Bitcoin doing? Oh, had a little bit of a... Are we breaking out? Is this the breakout that we're looking for, guys? I hope so, right? We can never really trust weekend price action. I wouldn't be surprised if we go into next week and then we retest like this green zone. I wouldn't be surprised at all. And if we did, that would be for all of you guys who maybe missed this long to be able to get back in, right? Again, not financial advice because... Oh, shit. Right, we deleted that. You guys know we was in from like 114 on the long, like something like around there. So maybe if we retest that zone there, that might be a good area for you guys to get in. The volume on your music is perfect. Yeah, it's not too loud, I don't think, so that should be all right. You reckon Ethereum going to smash the all-time high at 4.6k? Arnold, I do. You know what? I think. Let's have a look at ETH. I don't see why it wouldn't. I don't see why it wouldn't. Right, we're very, very close to that all-time high right now. Like, really close. How much was that? I think I tweeted yesterday, and I said the percentage. It's like 14% away. At the top, that was probably like 13%. So, all we need to do is just go and look at the ETH Bitcoin pair. And what we all need to do now is have a look at the Bitcoin pairs for all of our altcoins as well, right? So the breakout target for ETH was going to be up here. We've got a bit of resistance. It looks like some people front run that a little bit, but I do think going into next week, we can continue the rally, push Bitcoin dominance down. And by the time we get to here, that's going to be around the all-time high for Ethereum, even though the Bitcoin chart is so much lower. Okay, so it just goes to show ETH could make bigger all-time highs than what we first expected, right? But as I said in yesterday's video, around like 0.5, I probably will start to DCA like heavy out of my ETH, because at that point, you know, should be like high 6Ks to 7Ks at this like macro area of resistance. And this is to be respected as well, guys, right? You know, we've been under this since 2018. If you're not respecting this, you're playing the dangerous game. So none of you guys need to be playing the dangerous game, right? Have you looked into ATH yet? It came to be the future of currency for robots. I haven't, Tony. I can have a look at that. The risk reward becomes too high. Yeah. That's the thing, bro. I wouldn't even be. I wouldn't really like be buying. Well, I'm definitely not gonna be buying. I bought my whole stack. But you know what I'm trying to say. Like, if people are buying around here, it's a little bit risky. Yeah, let me know what other coins you want me to have a look at. I'll have a look. I'll have to see if I can find this Ayuki one. Maybe if I go to CoinMarketCap, actually, that might come up. If they're like small cap coins, I'm probably not going to find them. Oh, okay, right. We have found it. Ayuki. It's so funny whenever you guys tell me to look up coins. It's because they've done like this, right? They've done this. Now, $33 million market cap, still quite a small market cap coin. Base contract. All right. Ayuki Labs. We help machines see the world. It is building internal and collaborative sense of space robotics. Oh, okay. You know what's going to be cool, guys, is when these things actually, if they actually get rolled out, right? Because it's great to say, you know, this is what they're building, but we need to see it rolled out, guys. And if you were here in the last run, then what you would have seen is your music's really quiet. I'm not sure if it's just me. What, you want me to blast it? You want me to blast it?
Beverly Hills, I'm looking at bro, like look at the shit.
I think that's too loud. I'll put it to like there then. What was I saying? Right, when it comes to these things here, guys, in the last run, the gaming coins were saying, right, we're going to be building this, we're going to be building that, and then basically nothing came out, and it was all speculation. So realistically, if we want the AI niche to like carry over into multiple bull runs, then obviously we need these things to be rolled out. And what's up, Black? What's up, bro? I think you were here. Were you here yesterday? I think so. I feel like I recognize your name. If not, I recognize you from the comments. Oh man, so ETH 4.2k. Are we gonna get continuation into next week? I flipping hope so. Right, MACD's just flipped bullish on the daily, right? First two candles on the daily. So what happened last time? We flipped bullish on the daily for ETH, guys. Look at this. It was right around here. Just was having our breakout, and then boom, we had a move of, how much percent was that from the first flip, or second flip? Was right here, right? Moved all the way up to the peak, around another 50%. So if we were to say from this one, another 50%, right, that's going to bring us, surprise, surprise, to around there, right? Maybe a little bit higher than there for ETH Bitcoin. Let me zoom in because you guys are not going to be able to see that as much as I can. Right, it's probably going to bring us to our target, our breakout target, and then maybe the median here. That would make sense. What is Bitcoin? Say if times that by 1.1, that's about 5k, so maybe a bit shyer, right? So maybe it brings us to around here. But still, looking good. Everything's looking like we're getting that bullish momentum back. Oh yeah, Tau. You know what? I didn't look at Tau yesterday. Oh shit, Jonesy, what's up? What's up? What's up? That's a good recommendation, Jonesy. Loaded up on Ether at 2x leverage. ETH ETF. You know what? I haven't bought any ETFs. If you guys have bought ETFs, you let me know. Bought in January. Watched it go down 70% back up over. Oh, so what are you in profit over 50? That's good. DCA out now, rotating into top tech stocks. Appreciate your sober perspective. Yeah, I know. Unfortunately, some people don't have a sober perspective. Like I was on Twitter, right? Let me go to my Twitter and I'm going to show you guys. Like these things wind me up. I think I get wound up a little bit too easy though. But where was it? I was replying. Let's move you over. Like, I like charts like this that are saying, you know, it's bullish, but really some of these charts, they're like completely misleading. And I'm sure if I go onto my homepage now, you know, there's a lot of misleading charts that happens. Obviously, it's not going to show you now that I'm flipping looking at it with you guys, but you know, the same accounts, that Crypto Goose, that Carl Moon saying, oh my God, Trump's buying billions, da 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 da. Right, I got to try and avoid those. Let's have a look. What do you think about Jasmine and ASM? I'll have a look at that in a second, Latif. Let's have a look at Jasmine, actually. I haven't looked at that in a little while. But yeah, with the ETFs, I don't even know if I'm... The thing is, it's like paper crypto, isn't it? Let's have a look at Jasmine. Man, I really hope ETH can just continue this momentum into next week. That would be so nice for all of us. Jasmine Army. I probably need to do a Jasmine update soon. Jesus, look at that. Right, we need to clear up this chart because what the hell is going on? That is crazy. I need to keep on top of all these charts. Let's get rid of all this. Well, at least we're finding some support here. Let's remove all of this, all of this. Still under the resistance zone, so this did show to be a very key resistance zone back here, right, when we created it. I think that's where like bull market on zone is going to be, around here. But as I said to you guys before, the bigger the order block, the more sellers there are. So I mean, this is quite a big order block as it is. Yeah, it's the weekly, but this one to get above 6 cents is going to be tough, guys. It's going to be tough. And for everyone wondering, these were myself, the members club, Jasmine buys. If you guys were here in, make sure I'm on TradingView, yeah. Myself and you guys who've been like on the channel, if you've been on the channel for over a year, you would have definitely had the opportunity to buy Jasmine at 0.5% and 0.6%. And then you would have seen this thing like ride all the way up. All right. How much did we got? 10x. Now currently only up 2.5x. But to the next order block, to the median, which is usually a big sell-off zone, 600%, another 10x. So if you can get... If you've got these entries, I would be making sure I get out at around a 10x. From today, you know, you're not going to get as much of a return. 90% to maybe like 200 to 300. But then if we do break it and like max euphoria happens, then we could probably go a bit higher. But for now, I can't really say we're going to go much higher than this until we do take out these two zones, guys. Pepe, Ada, Pepe. All right, let's have a look. Give your opinion about Bitcoin dominance. Yeah, I posted some charts earlier about Bitcoin dominance, actually. We'll have a look at that now. Also loaded up on, I'm guessing you mean Fetch AI, 1-to-1, ETH, ETF, April and May. Marofa array. Nice, nice, nice. That's a good way to do it, to be fair. Yeah, Fetch AI is not a bad shout, actually. Let's have a look at Bitcoin dominance. Oh, you know what? I open this up and we're like, yay. And then we remember we're on the wrong chart. And then you're like, oh. So yesterday I was saying we needed to break 60.4%. And man, it's like on the brink of wanting to break down, but it's just not yet, right? So what was really pushing this down yesterday was the fact that Bitcoin hadn't moved, right? Bitcoin was down here yesterday, so even though it's only like a 2% move, it was down, and ETH was up a little bit more, so yeah, push us down a little bit more. But I do think, yeah, 60.4% is like the line in the sand for me to say, right, if we say close below it, even if we come back retest it and continue to close below 60.4, like you guys should all have that area marked up on your trading views. And then my target for taking out probably the majority of my portfolio is going to be the median line of this order block here at 53%. So that's my current take. Again, these things are subject to change because it's like, who knows how long it's going to go on for. But if altcoin season does happen like it normally does, then, you know, it's normally only like 2 months. So say if we like break down from next week, If we go 8 bars across, brings us to October. I don't think something like that's too out of the realm of possibility, guys. What happened to all the tunes? There were some good tunes that I had on yesterday, and it's like... let's do hip-hop mix. Alright. Let's have a look. What else do we want, chat? Again, if you're in the chat right now and you haven't liked the video, I don't know what you're doing right now. You need to get this out to more people, please. Please. Let's do this one. You think it will hold support or break down? Well, I don't know. We're gonna find out if it holds support or breaks down, right? Ideally, we want it to break down. But if Bitcoin does do what I think it's going to do and break out next week and start to tackle the all-time high, then it's probably going to close around here. Which, you know, it's not fantastic news for our altcoins. I mean, some of our altcoins will still do all right. Like, I mean, Aero's basically based on news. We're at the median now, so we should expect some resistance. But there will be a few handful of alts that do move, but I don't think everything will move like we'd want it to be honest. So, yeah. 4.5k, big area of resistance, guys. Okay? Bitcoin's still working on that. And also, if we look at the MACD as well, ready to cross. What happened last time we had that cross? Right, we moved all the way from... Where is it? If we say from that there, right? We moved all the way from like 105k to the peak, which was 120 something k, 15%. I mean, 15% for Bitcoin these days is a lot, guys. I'm sure you don't need me to tell you that. Aero, I'll have a look back at Aero in a second. Bitcoin dominance will drop lower than last cycle as there's more altcoins now. Not necessarily. Not necessarily. I mean, are you asking that or are you saying that's your opinion? Why would it drop? Why would it drop lower? You think that the altcoins will take more market share? You got to remember, a lot of the altcoins that are here now are shit coins. So, yeah, there's more altcoins, but a lot of them are shit coins. A lot of them are not going to get any capital rotation. They're just going to go to zero, in my opinion. So, what you're going to see is every single cycle, there have been shallower drops. So, it would make sense that there's a shallower drop this time, right? Even if we're being optimistic, what we could say is, I don't know why it doesn't want me to do this. There we go. We could be optimistic and say 44%. But again, a big part of my portfolio, even if it does go down to 44%, a big part of my portfolio would be taken out before that. So, yeah. These are like bottom levels, or sorry, top signal levels that all of you guys should look at. What I'll be looking at, right? Every time we hit like one of these, I'll even mark it up now in case these order blocks get wiped out. We'll look here, we'll look here. And then this would be like super max euphoria. All of us are in Lambos and I'll see you at the beach. Right, if we go back to 36%. But I don't really see that happening. Essentials a vibe. Essentials a vibe, Jonesy. As in sell all my alts. Well, you don't have to sell all your alts at 53%. I'm just saying, like, I'm sure a lot of our alts will be in major profit at 53%. So it's going to be like a big take profit zone. For me, personally. You don't have to sell everything. Aero. Let's have a look back at Aero. Yeah, Aero. Like I said yesterday, I mean, this was going to be a big area of resistance. I think we were targeting like $1.70. Is that correct? No, that's not the right. I didn't use that, sorry. My bad. From here to here. There we go. That's better. Yeah. A little bit higher. Okay, yes, it's going to target that order block. $1.90 it was. My bad. Yeah. So if we can like have a close above here and then not just absolutely reject back into this zone and this is like a bull trap and then we go lower, then yeah, we should be targeting like nearly $2 for Aero soon, guys. Which is going to be fantastic. You know what we didn't look at was the others chart. Is this something we all need to pay attention to? Others right now on the weekly. I don't think that looks too bad, guys. It's formed a base here at 180 billion, now at 300 billion. Let's get the MACD involved. And we've already had that bullish crossover, okay? Others going to be a bit more difficult to trade, right? Because there's just so many different altcoins in here. You guys saw how much it was manipulated right around here, right? In sort of May, early May. But yeah, others, 420 billion. And my target for selling quite a lot of my others coins is going to be around 500 billion. Hopefully we can break that, make a new all-time high and go. I mean, blow off top target. I just go for the 1618, guys, 735 billion. Maybe next cycle we get to that 1 trillion. $2 by when? I don't know. I don't know how long, Juan. The thing is, like, these... Oh, my camera just died. I think my camera's died. Yeah. Hold up a minute. One sec, guys. What the hell? I need to get a new camera, guys. I need to get a new camera, right. There we go. Are we back? I think we're back. Well said, Arnold. Right, let me read your comments in a sec. Sorry about that. What was we just saying? You think looking up Aero to receive the Aero rewards will drive the price up? To be honest, I don't really think it's going to be, not particularly, because people are going to be swapping back their V-Aero for Aero and then selling it again as an incentive. So I don't really think it will make too much of a difference, to be honest. Obviously, it's good for you guys because you're going to be getting more rewards. But I personally haven't locked up any of my Aero for V-Aero rewards. I just put that in videos to let you guys know, like, what the stats are saying. AIGH. Alright. You just saying alright, Edwin. I know everyone always wants to see the coins that pumped and the coins that haven't broken out yet. Yeah. I agree, bro. I agree. Like, okay, if we look at some of the coins that haven't broken out yet, there's one I'm going to show you in a minute that is like, I just been buying the living hell out of it. But FET is one you guys already know is in my portfolio. Right. Weekly. Am I on the log chart? Is that why? Right, weekly is not looking too bad right now. Okay, probably on the brink of a breakout in the next couple of weeks. This is like make or break zone for a lot of these altcoins, right? When we come to around the end of August, either we're going to break out or we're just going to continue sideways and just die out. I think something like Fetch has a strong enough narrative to pump up. Okay, I think there's a lot of them. So Fetch is one. I mean, 70 cents. Our original buy was like 80 cents in the private community. And then we got here again at like just under 60 cents. So yeah, FET looks good. I'll show you another one of mine that I've been personally buying a lot of. Arbitrum. An ETH. Oh, let's not do the log scale then. Which is pretty much an ETH beta play. So this is where the money is, in my opinion, right? I've just accumulated like crazy in this green zone, right? So I think that maybe for Arbitrum, we probably could come up to like 86 cents. Not bad at all. And then targeting like $1.71. And to be honest, at $1.71, the amount of Arbitrum that I've bought at like 30 cents and under, I won't really need that much more of a return. Because if we say 30 cents is the average buy price, right? 500% at this point in the market, happy with it. If we can target the all-time high, much better. But, you know, 1618 would be the max where I would take out my remaining Arbitrum. Like remaining, what, 10-15% that I've got left. From 30 cents, 10x, 11x. So this is where all the money is, right? All the money is in these coins that are still at these lows. I mean, if we just say, devil's advocate, we compare Arbitrum to something like Aero. People want to buy Aero now that it's at $1.23, but guess what? Who was here with me on the channel when we were looking at Aerodrome down here? Okay, 45 cents, right? We're already up 200% on the people that are buying into resistance now. Doesn't make sense. Okay, so for Aerodrome, everyone that's getting in now, that's going to the all-time high. You got 87%. Everyone who's buying the coins before they break out, right, anticipating breakouts, doing your research, all-time high goes from 80% to 400%. So that's how you make the money, guys, not chasing. Bought hella ICP. Yeah. I'll have a look. Have a look back at our ICP in a minute. If overall portfolio is down 5%, do you think I've done bad? Was down 40%, bought the dip. Ollie, well, it depends what coins, like, why is your portfolio, why is it down 5%? Is it because you bought in, like, earlier in the year and have just been holding? Have you not been averaging down? If that's why, then there's not too much to do. If you've been, like, buying and selling, then, you know, that's a mistake that a lot of us do make, right? We buy and sell. It's good to see it's recovered. You probably will get some gains, but really it's like, it depends on everyone's situation, right? Not everyone's got money to be buying in every month, and I get that. But the main thing is you've got to try and get your portfolio average buy price down. I don't know why my mic is going crazy. Bought in late 2023, around 15 bucks. Oh, what? ICP? Yeah. Bought some bad plays in December. Yeah. Bro, I've got some of my portfolio that's in bad plays. That's down still. Like, one of my ones that I bought, like, really high, just to be pretty transparent with you, all of you guys, was Beam. Right? Beam, a buy here, and then I also had a buy here. Right? So if we just remove all these other lines, we've all done it, but that's why you've got to balance your portfolio in, like, the low risk plays have probably performed better than the high risk plays so far. But I bought quite a big bag of Beam at 2.5 cents. And it's down 60%. Right? Bought another bag at around 1.8 cents and it's down 60%. Okay, so I was buying this, anticipating we were going to break out to a new all-time high, but it just didn't happen. Lower high, and then Beam's been pretty lackluster. So there's going to be so many people that are in the same position as you. I think people on YouTube don't really show they're losing coins that much, or they just don't want to admit it to you guys because they want to be seen like these alpha gurus. But that's cap, right? Everyone's got some losing coins. If you don't, then, well, you're a genius, and yeah, let me pay you for your calls. But we're all going to have some bad plays. Alright, I'm missing some of the thing. Was with you at 44. Yeah, come on, bro. Aero 44 cent, gang. Say's actually not a bad shout, you know. Meme coins or AI. Now we cooking. Meme coin, you know, I'm going to go in order from the chat. I don't know if you guys can see chat, but meme coins or AI for Trentos. To be honest, I used to be like anti-meme coins. But I can't really be that anti-meme coins now, because if you bought the blue chip, right? If you bought the blue chip meme coins, like Pepe or Brett or something like that, then you probably done pretty well. I think even Floki's done pretty well. But, yeah. The meme market cap, if we even go and look at the meme market cap. What am I on Chrome? Right. Meme coins on categories. All time. It's not that bad. Like 80 billion. It's not that bad. Doge at 20 cents. Sheeb there. Pepe there. Okay. Even Pudgy Penguins. I feel like Pudgy is going to do something ridiculous. Fartcoin did well. So I can't really hate on meme coins, man. Because people that bought meme coins, you know, have done pretty well. Can you check link? Yeah, sure. I'll check link. Cheers, Lecks. No, it's all good, bro. It's all good, Ollie. We will make some bad decisions, bro. But hopefully you've got a better portfolio. Illuvium, put a fair bit in that, yeah. I saw a lot of people were shilling Illuvium, bro. I don't know what if it was like a paid shill or something, but I saw like a lot of big crypto YouTubers started shilling Illuvium out of nowhere. I was like, what? It's crazy. Edwin's a shark, but still down. Yeah, same. No, am I a shark? I'm a dolphin. What's the difference again? All right, let me have a look at ICP terminal. Then we'll have a look at Chainlink after. icterminal.com. I'm still refusing to pay for this. Right, so if you're a shark, what does that make you? Where are we? 5k to 10k. Yeah, nice. That's good. That's good. My ICP's like, I'm like a fat dolphin. I'm not a shark though. I'm not a shark. But yeah, you must have been accumulating quite well if you are a shark. Well done. Hopefully that's going to pay out, bro. Let's have a look at Chainlink for you now. I think Link's about to break out, to be honest. And the sentiment around Link is really good right now. Like, really good. Yeah, we looked at Link yesterday. What, $22 today? We're up. What is this on the weekly? 35% on the week. Congrats. Congrats to everyone holding Link. That's good. This was my original buy in here. Again, if you were here yesterday, you would have heard me say this. I'm not going to try and repeat myself too much, but we bought all in this zone here, and then we've just been holding through all of this craziness. But again, it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. It looks like we've got like quite a lot way to go before we do get to around 30 to 45. But look at that order block compared to some of the others. This is the weekly, right? So you look at that weekly order block. Look at, I don't know, let's go to AVAX. Oh, damn, AVAX has got a pretty big one as well. You guys will see, right? Different size order blocks means different selling. So, we'll have a look at Ondo in a minute as well. But, yeah, Link's looking good. Let's go on a little short-term time frame. See what the short term's looking like. Maybe 4 hours. Yeah. I mean, what more do you want? Probably, if we can sustain this, then... yeah, maybe like $25 next week-ish. But remember, we're going vertical now. One thing to look at, guys, is going to be the Bitcoin pairs. All right. And what's up to everyone that's new in the chat right now? If you're new in the chat, like the video. You know what to do. Thank you. Link Bitcoin. Looking good. Right, 4 hourly. Let's go to the daily. So now, Link Bitcoin coming up to a big level of resistance, guys. So it's probably got like another, what is that? 5%? 10%? 5 to 16% now of market share from Bitcoin to break this order block here, guys. But if we go to like the larger time... let me go to the log. Oh, once you can break these 3 levels, I think Chainlink, if it can break out of here, Chainlink will go absolutely ham. And it's going to have... I saw people targeting like $200 for Chainlink, so that would be insane. I heard base memes are a good shout from... yeah, he's in the... Obi's in the private community. He's a big base head. He's always in the base memes chat in the private group. XRP and Bitcoin is something that I don't need to rotate during the end of the bull run. Bitcoin, maybe. You know, some people want to hold XRP for the long run, but personally, it's an altcoin. Everything other than Bitcoin is an altcoin, right? So I would be rotating out of everything. If you're worried that like Bitcoin is going to go up only forever or something like that, and you really just don't want to sell, I don't think that's too much of a problem, right? Bitcoin is going to be here, but for all of the other altcoins, you guys already saw, like, look at what happened with XRP, right? And I think it's going to happen again. Oh, that's not the right one. Look at XRP, man. Vertical lines, back down. Vertical lines, back down. Vertical lines, probably back down. And this was a long-term target of mine around $3.87. It was like just shy of it. So, oh, if I just move that, yeah, I can delete that, doesn't matter. But yeah, XRP, I bought pretty much all of my bag of XRP at 40 cents in the bear market. Right, all like over here. I've had XRP for a very long time. So I don't really talk about XRP that much, but yeah, I sold a lot of my XRP when it went up to like here. I think it was that January? Yeah, January I sold quite a lot, and it's up like 700%. The rest of my bag's still up 700%. So yeah, I mean, people are going to take profits on this, guys. Like, try not to be convinced by all the narratives of saying, oh my god, XRP is going to be the new banking system currency and blah 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 blah. That's cool, but it most likely is going to come back down, in my opinion. I'd be very shocked if it just stays up. Stays up forever. Wait, NG first, are you Ollie? Or Obi, sorry, because if you're Obi and you're just using a different account, you're freaking me out. Definitely selling some XRP. People bought XRP about 8 years for it. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying, right? I'm one of those people that had XRP at 40 cents, so you know, I've really took profit. Obi, Obi, bro, you can't be stream sniping me with a different name. What's up, bro? Oh my god. Imagine I said something bad about you then. Imagine I was like, oh, that Obi guy, he's a dickhead. What about H-bar? Yeah, we can, why not? I'll have a look at H-bar again. Been buying XRP since 40 cents. Yeah, bro. Yeah, a lot. In my private community, I put in there at 40, and I also said like anything underneath $1 is lovely. It's just a generational opportunity. Wayne, what's up, bro? Wayne, I feel like if you're still here, sorry I missed your comment, man. What's up, man? Link is ripping. Yeah, I know. Yeah, what's up, Wayne? Welcome to the chat, man. Wayne's World. Need to play some Little Wayne now that Wayne's in the chat. Wayne just joined the chat, yeah? Amelie. Let's have a look at H-bar. Amelie. Right. Okay, so H-bar, yeah, I showed you guys this yesterday. If you weren't here yesterday, then you would have missed this, but 6 cents, 9 cents was big areas that I picked up, like the majority of my H-bar bag, right? So unfortunately, I didn't get that Jake Gordon bag at 4 cents, but I got the Lecks money bag at 6 cents. So if any of you guys watch Jake Gordon, you know what I'm talking about. He's been banging on about H-bar for God knows how long. But yeah, 50 cents big level of resistance. But again, you compare it to like the order block for H-bar, that's tiny. Oh, for Link, sorry, that's tiny. So it could probably go there like quite easy. All right, 1618 target of this move brings us to the top of the order block. So you got the technical breakout level, which is like a psychological level that people will just take profit. 1618, they just do. Traders always take profit there. Then also you're already seeing the order block representing people like front running that. So they're front running that by how much percent is this order block? Right, 20%. They're going to sell it before we get to this 1618. All right, but if we break through it, boom, blow off top, $1.29. That's not bad. I don't think that's like a crazy price prediction for H1. All right. What else do we need to look at today, guys? We're not going to stream for too long today, but still trying to break out. What's the 4 hourly looking like? Oh, see, when it comes to charts like this or patterns like this, they usually do break down. Like, this is getting quite steep now, right? We can actually go and measure what our breakdown target would be. Right. Shout out Wayne. Millie. So if we broke down here, right? 115-ish K. Right? Back down into the range, but it still would be a higher low. So we can have this as like a little thought experiment, and we can come back tomorrow and see if this actually did hold or not. right? This is like very rough drawings right now. It's probably even more something like this, right? So yeah, 115k if Bitcoin doesn't break out or have a confirmation if this is like a bear trap. But if we do start to continue higher, then boom, we're going to all-time high pretty soon, I think. Can you just do LCX? All right, I'll have a look at LCX for you. Let's have a look at LCX. LCX on the weekly. Let's change this as well. LCX looks like it wants to have bottomed. Let's move this out of the way. Jesus. Right. Number one. It's at a pretty big support right now on the weekly. Right, OB? Pretty big support here. If it breaks, then you're going to 5 cents, unfortunately. Right, if it wants to break down. If it can break above 17 cents, that's pretty good. You probably should be going to like all-time high or local high, right? 39 cents. But Matt D wants to flip bullish. It's like almost flipping bullish. Nearly. Okay, so if it can get some like momentum into next week, that would be really, really nice. Right, you'd want to hold something like this. Right, like that. So yellow line is going to be like a key area for LCX to hold. Right, and that'd be a pretty like strong trend to break down. If it broke down from this, then it wouldn't give me too much hope that LCX is going to be doing well. No, it's not bad, man. It's not bad. LCX isn't bad. It's good. It's good. What time do you usually live stream? This is the first I tuned in, but I watch all your videos. Yeah, Arnold, I actually only did a live stream yesterday for the first time. I couldn't be bothered to film a video, so I just went live. I think I went live at like 2 p.m. UTC. I don't know what time that is for you guys. But yeah, I might do like a regular time to try and like get the UK and the US at the same time. Maybe like 6 p.m., 7 p.m. UTC every day, so I can get like everyone involved. You guys can let me know some suggestions. Isaac! What's up, bro? Isaac. Like the stream, Isaac. That's an order. Like the stream, bro. Yeah, mate, glad to have you here, man. XLM, ISO coins have been decent. XRP, Algo, HBAR, XCC, DAG, IOTA, ADA. We're going to look into all of those, actually, because I hold quite a lot of them. XLM as well. Yeah. We'll have a look into them. Yeah, ISO coins are going to do well. Well, amazing. 40 Lecks, you're killing it. Yeah. What's up, James? James in the house. James is like... I feel like me and you have a love-hate relationship, James. Me and James always arguing in the comment section. Oh, man. All right, let me have a look at the rest of these. Oh, man. Let's have a look. What have you just said here? 2 p.m. here in Florida. I guess the thing is, for you US guys, if I'm streaming in the middle of the day, then, well, at night time, it's going to be middle of the day for you guys. So I'll have to like do like, I could do some late streams. I'm always up pretty late. It's 8 o'clock here currently. Anytime in the mornings is shite. Yeah, I mean, who wants to watch a live stream like that in the morning? It's more like chilling vibes with everyone together, right, in the evening. 8 p.m. Where are you? You must be somewhere in Europe, Arnold. Arnold Siemens. That sounds like you're in Spain or something. Right, XRP. We looked at XRP. Let's look at Algo. You guys spam off the coins you want me to look at. And we're going to stay here for a little bit longer. And then I'm going to go and play some PlayStation. Algo. Yeah, these are my buys on Algo. So you guys on the live stream are getting some exclusive things. I don't really show this on in the videos. Hold on a minute. Let me just... Oh. Okay. Right, algo. So big resistance for algo. 60 cents, 66 cents, 76 cents. Boom. So does this mean we're going to not get a new all-time high for algo this run? I don't know. Algo on the weekly. Again, like you said, with these if these ISO tokens can get some traction and they're the ones that people are piling money into, then, you know, it could be pretty good. 100%, nearly 200% to the top of the first order block. Second order block, 500%. And this would be a hard one to get through. It's like a 10x away, guys. So people would have took a lot of profits, or people would have been ready to take a lot of profits around here. I'll look at ADA in a second as well. IMX Quant. Yeah, I'll look at Quant as well, actually, because I haven't looked at Quant in a little bit. Sleeping time, 100% of the time. Yeah, pretty much. Netherlands. Oh, okay, yeah. What's up, man? I haven't been to the Netherlands in a little while. I've got some friends that, I don't know what the area of, like, Feyenoord is. I don't know if that's actually what you call it. I just know the football team Feyenoord. But they live around there. And yeah, the only place I've been in Netherlands is obviously Amsterdam. But yeah, Edwin, let's have a look at all of those. Casper, Say, Aptos. Yeah. Oh my god, Latif. So, that's funny you said about Pokemon. My friend does like Pokemon trading, right? So he gets like all the cards, buys them, sells them, gets these like Japanese cards that's worth hundreds and hundreds of pounds. I'm like, I didn't even know about that. But he was saying that the booster boxes, the OG booster boxes, like outperform the majority of the crypto market since, well, its inception. Which is crazy to me. Why are we in crypto when we should just be buying Pokemon cards? Rotterdam is the city you're talking about. Yeah. That's the one. But yeah, I like Dutch people, man. You guys are cool. I feel like you're very similar to UK. Like you have the same sense of humor as us, which is good. Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit. I don't know. What do you need to look at? Let's have a look at Chainlink. No, have a look at Quant even. We just looked at Chainlink. 7 p.m. Obi, I know it's 7 p.m. for you, bro. We're in the same country. Quant. Why am I typing Quant like a noob? There we go. Let's get this on the log. Yeah, look at this. Close. We're getting close, but I mean, if history tells me anything, it looks like it should put on like one more low at like $90. Like, I would not be surprised for this. Right, roll over, double bottom, and go. That's kind of how I would see it. Probably this actually wouldn't be a bad long area, but you're seeing it in the weekly as well, right? Weekly starting to cool off for Quant. However, the daily. Daily saying something different here, so we're going to find out. And look, even before we saw the daily order block, you guys can see here, people are seeing the same thing as what I'm seeing, right? And this is how you're going to see the order block start to pile in, right? It's where people would be putting in their long trade. So you can see I've put it right at the top area of the order block. Some people would be expecting it to go a little bit lower to like 85. So yeah, very good tool to be using when you're looking at trades. But if we can break above this zone here, then boom, you know, $200 is coming pretty soon for Quant. It's like everyone in this live stream holds the same time. Yeah, I know. We are actually a cult. We are a cult. Maybe it's just because you guys are like me. We're all like the same, right? We're all holding the same coins. What's the utility? Lolly. Peace out, Lolly. I'm going to see you in the next one. Thanks for joining. But yeah, I know what you mean. Maybe it's because that's the vibe I give off on my channel that I'm holding these. I guess if you go to someone's like meme coin channel, everyone's going to be like, look at this meme coin, right? I think you hit 100. So oh, thanks, Arnold. I appreciate that, man. I think if I do more live streams, it's going to be a lot better. It's a lot easier for me as well to like just talk with you guys. It feels like a lot more chill vibe for me as well. I'm not having to like edit. If I stutter, I'm sure you guys don't care. Yeah, bye, Lolly. Black says bye. Black, where are you from, bro? If I missed it, let me know. Can't imagine getting stuff so low. Remember H bar at 94, thought it stunk. Yeah, I bet you did. I bet you did. Let's have a look. What's your thought on Velodrome? James. What's up, James? What's up, my boy? Velodrome. Let's have a little look. Ireland. Top of the morning to you. Hey. Moved to the UK. Okay. What part of Ireland were you from? A lot of my friends are from Ireland. D-Boss. Okay, everybody. Right. Everybody let's take a little moment of silence, right? D-Boss has been editing a lot of my videos. He's been editing my my studio videos. So, what is up, D-Boss? Let's have a look. $13. D-Boss Studio Legends. Yeah. Unless it's just got the same. Wait, is this the same? Anyway. Where were we now? Let me go back to the chat. I feel like I'm still a noob when it comes to finding the chat on this sometimes, guys. What's that? Lol. And maybe on weekends. Yeah. Maybe on weekends. It wouldn't be bad. Dublin. Okay, sweet. Yeah, man, some of my friends are from Dublin. Let's have a look now. We need to look at Ada, I think is what we need to look at. Wait, D-Boss. Is this the same D-Boss, or have you just got the same @ as my editor? Oh my god, if that is, that's embarrassing. That would be embarrassing. Ada USD. Let's have a look. Right, Ada needs to break 95 cents for us to try and target $1. Like Ada's one of the ones where I've been holding on to Ada for so long, and it's just a pain. It's just a pain. I really thought, like, by the time ETH was at 4K, that we would be way higher than this. Way higher than this. Like, myself and a lot of my friends from the last bull run, we bought ADA throughout the whole thing, right? And I bought a shit ton of ADA at like 20 cents, at 25 cents, at 30 cents, I remember. Like, we said to ourselves, like, every month we've got to buy, like, 1,000 ADA. We're like non-stop. So we got like a decent amount of ADA now, just waiting for it to break above $1, and then probably going to start to take profits at like $1.10, $1.50, $2. Do you think GTA 6 is going to have an altcoin? I'm the editor. Okay, yeah. Bro, I got scared. I got scared then, because I was like, wait a minute, have I just said you're my editor to the wrong person? Right, let's have a look. Keep up a live streams and spool nice engagement. Yeah, thanks, bro. No, I definitely will, Obi, man. Definitely will. We need to have a drink as well once we're rich, man. We're gonna be fucking the live streams is gonna be everyone in the chat getting wasted together. Do I think GTA 6 is gonna have altcoin? Yeah, Isaac, I do. I mean, I wonder if there's any news on the GTA 6 altcoin. Probably need to switch my screen, don't I? Let's have a look together. GTA 6 altcoin. Of course. Right, GTA 6. I mean, are we trusting Reddit? GTA 6, obviously there's already altcoin. What can we... Maybe it's going to be like the news. There's not really any new things. I mean, this is from like 2024. GTA 6 altcoin in-game, maybe. In-game? Question mark? Damn, there's like no articles. Even if it doesn't say it in here, I mean, it probably will have some sort of cryptocurrency involved, I'd imagine. And I feel like it would be... I probably shouldn't have accepted that. It probably will be one of the better, like, gaming currencies to, like, incentivize people to stay in the game longer. I'd imagine that's how they're going to want like Gen Z and Gen Alpha and everyone to stick in and grind more for the coin. Is it gonna sustain the price? I don't know. We'll have to see how that one goes. About time you have a live. Very good to get acquainted. Yeah, James. No, it's true. It's true. You guys can actually just have a chat with me a bit more on like a chill level as well, right? Rather than just watching me on the video. Can you do Chainlink? BK. Yeah, I can. You're late, though, BK. You're late. Let's do Chainlink again. Let's have a look. Right, USD, Chainlink. Listen, if someone joins and asks for Chainlink again, you guys in the chat, I got to tell them what I said. But Chainlink, 35% for the week. That's good. Getting some momentum on the MACD now, right? Not too bad for the weekly candles. Daily, looking even better. So probably going to push up to like $30, I'd imagine, before we see any like significant resistance. The only resistance that I'd really imagine would be like this. Okay. Probably about that. Right, so if we can cut through that, then next resistance is going to be there. But yeah, Chainlink looks good. How much is that of a percentage move to get to the next big resistance? It's like another 36%, right? And if Bitcoin dominance continues to drop, then that'd be great, right? But right now, it actually isn't bad. Drop him, coming up to retest, and then what we need is this, guys. Where the hell is the writing tool? Here. Right, we need that. Boom. That's what we need. In layman's terms. We need that. Okay, so if we can get, a continued push, then that's great. But if now we go into Monday and then it's like this, you guys already know what that means for altcoins, okay? It's not going to look too good. Not going to look too good. No, bro, BCal, I'm messing with you, bro. I'm just messing with you. D-Boss just VPN that stuff. Yeah. Yeah. It's so weird, like, what you can access in different countries now and what you can't access. It's crazy. Let's have a look. Yeah. That's crazy because they also banned. You can let them know in the chat where you're from, but they also banned Telegram in this country as well. So it's like, communication's even bad there. That's crazy. But apparently, like with the VPN, you can get banned or you can get like in big trouble. So yeah. Right, we've got 26 likes on the chat right now, guys. So we need to come on, we need to do it. Like up that like button, guys. How long have you been on stream for right now? Where does it say? An hour. Right. I think we're going to close up on a few things. Oh, sorry. Pepe and Pepe. That Chinese Pepe. Why does everyone love it so much? Tell me. Let me change you over to here so you can see what I'm looking at. Right. Which one? I'm guessing it's the 955th coin, the Ethereum one. Okay, so this is why you're sending it to me. Oh, it's dropped a little bit. To be honest, man, like, I remember when this came out. I do remember when this one came out before it was on CoinMarketCap and it did, like, ridiculous gains. And this is not me being a certain type of way, but with like certain Chinese coins, the rug doesn't come back. Some of the other like American based coins, the rug can come back up, but usually when it's dead, it's dead. Unless it's going to be like manipulated, like you see on some of these deck screener coins where they come back out of nowhere. I don't know. Is the community strong enough for people to get eyes back onto this? I don't know what the community engagement is like on this one. But Pepe, however, 1 hour. 2 more likes for 30. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Telegram's banned here as well. Yeah. I get called like 3 times a week by a different scammer through Telegram. You got to turn off your don't let anyone see your number. If I had my number on Telegram, it would be RIP for my phone, I think. No, I haven't done IMX yet, bro. I'll do that. I'll do that for you now, BK. It's all good. I owe you one. What do you mean by 1 hour, Edwin? Oh, I've been streaming for 1 hour. Yeah. Sorry if I'm like slow to reply to the chat as well. My bad. Let's have a look at Pepe. Then we're going to look at Aero again. Then we're going to look at IMX for BK. So, Pepe. Yeah, this is what I was looking at along here yesterday, about 11:40. But yeah, 4 hour for Pepe, not too bad. We looked at Pepe yesterday as well, and we said this breakout happens, it's going to be fireworks for Pepe again, right? Pepe has been a strong coin. This chart just looks solid to me. It just looks solid, right? It's still trading around the median, not really losing the median, not deviating either way too much, so that's good. Again, you're seeing the same thing in the MACD for a lot of these altcoins, guys. You're seeing this bullish cross happen in the MACD, so if we get continuation into next week, then boom. Oh, something that I wanted to show you guys, stay there before I forget, right? Something I wanted to show you guys was the Fed watch, right? This time last week, it was like 94%, I think it was. I don't know if you can backdate it. I don't know how you can backdate this. But yeah, now it's 88%. So something I said in my private group today was the market usually prices things in advance. Okay? It prices things in. It like just because we're going to get rate cuts doesn't mean we're going to get billions inflowing into certain cryptos like on that day. Doesn't happen like that, guys. It takes time. All right. So at the time of the rate cut, September 17th, I wouldn't be surprised that if we do get a rate cut, maybe there's like a small turn hype or a small Jesus Christ, a short-term hype-driven pump and then a sell-off. I would really be putting my money on a sell-off. I wouldn't really be trading it because it's going to be a high volatility event. But let's make a mental note of all of this, guys. 88.9%. Make a mental note of that. So yeah. ETH still 4.2. Yeah, I mean, this is looking bad for the market. Really, we just need that rotation into large cap soon, I think. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Yeah. No, Arnold, the thing is, not a lot of people think like that. People don't really look at Fed Watch and think... They just think that, you know, a certain event's going to pump the price into the sky. And to be honest, that's going to be the narrative that's going to be fed to all of you. But we already know that, like, based on timing, regardless of the Fed decision, based on timing around September, we should be expecting a pullback. So, yeah. Right, let's have a look at IMX for you, BK. I don't hold, though. Oh, I meant with... Oh, sorry, I'm, like, slow on the chat. Yeah. Hide the number, bro. Or you can turn off, like, people messaging you. They got to request it, I think. Let's have a look at IMX. IMX. I feel like I've got a... Wait, what? I saw if it's... Oh, you're holding it since 80 cents. I thought you meant 8 cents then I was going to say. That's not pain. Yeah. When is that? That's like up here, right? Somewhere around here. You bought. Just put it at that. You're not too far off. You're not too far off on the daily. Yeah, there's some coins like this that I hold as well. That potentially could come back, but it's a like pain waiting for it, right? So still, you got a lot of room to move. Like, look how oversold you are. Okay, a lot more oversold than when you were back there. So you should get more of a push for IMX. We'll look at some different indicators as well in the next stream. I'll take you through some of the other ones that I look at in the private group. We're order. Block. But for today, we'll just keep it nice and simple. Why is this not happening? No, maybe it doesn't want me to do it today. There we go. Oh, it's because I got that on. Because I'm a cheapskate, guys, and I don't pay for TradingView. It will be interesting to see where the Okay, on the weekly, no sell pressure above you. Interesting. Oh, there we go. On the daily, there is though. All right. So to get back to break even, you've got like quite a bit of a job. So unfortunately, it looks like it's going to be quite tough to get through. Yeah, this doesn't look the greatest, but you just got to wait for the rotation, I think, from Bitcoin and then for ETH as well. What's Bitcoin dominance doing? Still printing a green candle today. Although it looks like it could have continuation into next week, right? This could be like a short-term relief on the Sunday, and then we pull back again going into tomorrow. And that would do pretty good for your IMX bag as well. Back in like March. Oh, okay, fair. Super Noof, what's up, bro? What is SHX, and why does everyone keep recommending it to me? What? Oh, Stronghold. Yeah. Okay. I think I looked at this one before. Whoops. Stronghold. Man, looking strong. Last line in the sand here. So this is going to be a price discovery. These ones are like hard to calculate how high it should go. Already like pretty overextended on the daily. Yeah, look. Last time it was at like these levels, it had pullbacks, right? This level had a pullback. Now nearly there again. Is it ready for a consolidation again? I don't know. For like extended moves, you'd want it to consolidate a little bit, but remember this is the weekly. And look at these green bars right now, guys. It can continue, but yeah, that's looks like it's been through quite a move already. I mean, even if you bought what? If you bought back here in, was it April? 500%, 300%. Yeah. That's not bad. When did you guys buy Stronghold? I see SHX in my chat all the time. Alright, a couple more we can have a look at if you want, and then I'm going to go and chill. We did a nice little hour stream today. If not, then yeah, it's all good. It's all good. It's like, what, 7:30 where I am now? So I might do a nice little, I might do a late one tomorrow, actually. I might try and stream like every day for all of you guys. If you find it useful, you can leave me some suggestions of what you want me to have a look at in the streams, what you want to do in the streams. You can do that. No. Let's have a look. Do a base meme. What one? What base meme do you want? Oh, I think my stream is a little bit lagging right now. I'll wait for you to Toshi. Alright, we'll do Toshi and I'm going to end stream. Because my laptop is like overheating right now. I don't know why. Right, let's have a look at Toshi. Yeah, you were banging on about Toshi today in the chat. I wondered why. I bet it's looking good, isn't it? Okay, yeah, nice. Yeah, Toshi looks nice, man. What is that? 23% for the week. All base memes going to be tradable now on Coinbase through Aero as well, which is good. But look at that. Look at that, OB. Big resistance here. Yeah. 43% worth of resistance. But if you can break that, all-time high coming pretty soon. So Toshi, yeah, Toshi looks nice. I think the blue cat will do pretty well. I mean, it's just started to flip green, hasn't it? On the daily, so probably quite a lot of room to go up on. I mean, even if you go to the 4 hour, right? It's kind of like make or break time. We're either going to like coil up and then blast through it, or you get a bit of a pullback. You could have a look to like load up more Toshi there, but yeah, it's not looking big. It's not looking bad, guys. It's not looking bad. So yeah, I think I'm going to end the stream there. It has been lovely. Ada ruined me. Toshi, that's... Yeah. Ada kind of sucks. AO. Aerodrome still $1.24. Alright. You guys get me. Let's have a look. Aero. Oh, damn. It's like going for round 2. Had a nice little pullback today, and it's going for round 2. Yeah, this thing wants to go to the technical breakout, doesn't it? So we're going to see what these looks like tomorrow, or what this looks like tomorrow, if it can break through. Or if not. But yeah, Aero looks strong this week. I mean, look on the side here. Pretty much everything's red. Aero's the only green thing right now. But yeah, look, guys. Right, let's get back here. Pow. Guys, I'm going to go and chill for the rest of the evening now anyway. So it was a nice little quick, 1.5 hour stream. Aero boss. Yeah, man. But look, if you guys want more streams, then just let me know. Smash the like button. You can just leave me a comment underneath the video when this is up as well. Maybe like you can tweet me, whatever you guys want to do. We can figure out what we do in the stream maybe next week. But yeah, man. Thanks for chilling with me on this Sunday. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to post some videos as well. But yeah, we'll do more streams. I'll make it more fun as well, more interactive. I'm thinking to try and do yeah, some more interactive ones. Oh, don't worry, Super Noof. Look, all you got to do, bro, turn on your notifications and you should get a notification when I go live. So you won't miss it. But yeah, we're going to, like, now I've got all the setup done, it's so much easier. Whereas in the beginning, I had no idea how to set up because I feel like I'm a fucking unk. But yeah, we'll do some more interactive streams, some giveaways. I might even do some, like, day trading challenges with you guys as well. And see what we can get going for you guys. But yeah, right. Peace and love, boys. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow, yeah? Take care. Bye.